NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start textbook of English for class 2 MRIDANG. Let's start textbook of English for class 2 MRIDANG. Today we are going to read Unit 1 Fun with Friends. Our first chapter is My Bicycle. Let's start Unit 1 Fun with Friends. Chapter 1 My Bicycle. Let us recite. I have a red bicycle. I pedal and I ride. Trin, trin, trin goes the wheel. Makes my friends move aside. The seat is blue in color. The tires and pedals are black. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but my bicycle is always on track. To keep my bicycle moving, all I need is some air. I put on my little helmet and go happily everywhere. Let's recite the poem once again. Chapter is My Bicycle. I have a red bicycle. I pedal and I ride. Trin, trin, trin goes the wheel. Makes my friends move aside. The seat is blue in color. The tires and pedals are black. Sometimes fast, sometimes slow, but my bicycle is always on track. To keep my bicycle moving, all I need is some air. I put my little helmet and go happily everywhere. Sight words I and is in my. New words pedal, aside, sometimes, track, helmet, everywhere. Note to the teacher. Ask the children to describe a bicycle they have seen. You may initiate a conversation about safety measures such as wearing a helmet, putting on a seat belt, etc. If you see the cycle given here carefully, this is red bicycle. It has bell that sounds trin trin. This boy has wore the helmet. Okay, you can see helmet here. You can see wheels are black and pedals are also black. You can see children are wearing helmets for safety. People are wearing helmets and seat belts in cars or in big vehicles for safety. Let us speak a share with the class. 1. Have you seen a bicycle? If you have seen, you may write yes. If you haven't seen, then you must see. Okay. 2. Where have you seen it? You can write it here. First time where you have seen bicycle in a school campus, at home, or in the neighborhood. What color is it? Which color? What is the color of your bicycle or the bicycle you have seen? You can write it here. Who generally rides it? Who generally rides it? Bicycle is generally ridden by children. Fifth, have you seen a tricycle? Have you seen a tricycle or a rickshaw that has 3 wheels? You may write it here. Have you seen a wheelchair? Wheelchair also has uh, three wheels, okay, but it is especially made for disabled people, okay, that has physical disability, the person who can't move on their legs. Note to the teacher: interact with children to elicit responses in English. Some children may have seen a tricycle. Have a picture ready to show them. Sensitize children to the fact that senior citizens, the injured, and the disabled need to use a wheelchair. End on a positive note that wheels aid in movement. Okay, while moving from here and there, carrying something from one place to another place, wheels are very essential. Earlier, people used bullock carts that has wheels to to move heavy objects from one place to other place. Now, wheels are there in trucks, buses, and many vehicles such as trains. Okay, let us listen. A. Listen to the sound of your teacher has recorded on the mobile. Can you identify the sound of different bell? Okay, different bell sound could be recorded by the teacher and made to listen by the children. Note to the teacher: you may download and record the sounds of different kinds of bells, such as the ringing of the school bell, bicycle bell, bicycle bell, temple bell, etc. Pause after each sound and give children some time to reflect. This is a note to the teacher. Let us read the word below each picture. You can read the words below each picture. For example, an ant. This is an ant. An axe. This is an axe. An apple. This is an apple. An ant, an axe, an apple. A rat, a rat, a cat, a cat, a mat, a mat. This is a rat, this is a cat, this is a mat. A pan, this is a pan, a pan. This is a man, a man. This is a man. A hat or a cap. This is a cap. This is a cap. Okay, uh, while writing and, you can see an is written before an X, an is written before an apple, an is written before. But while writing cat, rat, mat, pan, man, cap, A is written a rat, a cat, a mat, a pan, a man, a cap. You should note the difference. Note to the teacher: this introduces young learners to the vowel sound A as in pan. Help them notice that the word an occurs before the words beginning with A in the above table. Actually, the words starting with sound of A, then that takes the uh, an before, okay? Otherwise, A should be written there. For example, ant start with sound A. So an is written before an ant. Similarly, X, an X, apple, an apple. Sounds matter here. Let us write A. Write the names of the parts of the bicycle in the given boxes. You may use the help box for selecting names. For example, this is seat. Okay, seat. Pedal. Here is the pedal. Then wheel, then wheels are here, wheel. Similarly, bell, you may see bell here, bell, okay. Handle, okay, this is handle. Carrier, you may see carrier behind, okay, to carry something, or okay. The most important thing is brake. You can see brake here, okay. Kindly see the things there: seat, carrier, brake, handle, bell, pedal, and wheel. Let us think A. Imagine that you have a magic bicycle. Draw it in the box. You can draw a magic bicycle here. What would you do with your magic bicycle? Note to the teacher. You may give children time to reflect about the ideas. Initiate the talk in the class by asking few questions like, where would you go? What would you do there? What would you see there? Help them visualize and speak their thoughts. The places may be imaginary or real. This is a note to the teacher. Let us write A. Complete the following sentences. 1. The child in the poem has a red bicycle. Okay. The sound of the bell or makes people move aside. The sound of the bell moves aside. The dash and dash are black. The wheels and pedals are black. Okay. The wheels and pedals are black. Okay. You may take help of the chapter. Okay. The sound of the bell moves aside. I have a red bicycle. Okay, you may write tires and pedals. Okay, you may write tires and pedals there, not wheel. Okay, you may write tire, T-Y-R-E-S, tires, and pedals are black. Okay. B, put correct for the correct sentences and cross for the incorrect sentences. 1. Child has blue bicycle. That is wrong or false. 2. The bell goes trin trin trin. That's true or correct. 3rd, the child's bicycle is always fast. Not all. They move sometimes fast, sometimes slow. That is wrong. Okay, or false. 4th, the child needs some water to keep the bicycle moving. No, the child needs some air to keep the bicycle moving. That's also wrong or false. 5th, the child puts on little helmet while riding the bicycle. Yes, it's true or correct. Okay. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.